just hopped out of the bathroom and I feel like a human again. Honestly, I did not feel human yesterday at all. I felt disgusting. I felt so disgusting. But yeah, so today I've got a bunch of laundry to do, to fold. Like, I know what kind of, how old am I to just have a pile of clothes on the floor? I'm currently watching The Housewives because, tell me why it's such a fire show. Like, not even that I had no idea, but it's just such a fire show. But yeah, I've done a little bit of editing this morning. What else? Like, I feel like nothing interesting is happening. I'm still pulling off eyelash glue from my eye. Wild. I don't know if I told you before, but I'm trying to build my new wardrobe. And it's taken me a minute to kind of like pull the trigger on the things that I want and the new clothes and stuff that I want. But I'm super excited for it. Like, I think it's going to be such a good time. So I need to literally do it. But I'm so scared. I don't know why. It's because it's like, I'm like singing to myself and I'm like, don't be mad. It's just a brand new kind of me. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. It is a Tuesday. I started my day strong. As you don't know, you probably don't know. You know what? My lips are too dry for me for this. Hold on. They are too dry for what I'm trying to be doing right now. Like, I now can address you. So, you may not know, but I am doing 75 soft. So, 75 soft is like 75 hard, but just a little bit like modified. So instead of 2 45-minute workouts, it's 1 45-minute workout, reading 10 pages a day. A high protein meal for me especially is a high protein meal. What else? I'm also trying to post daily, so you'll see some shorts and all across different platforms. So it's not specific to one platform, it's just posting, being in the habit of posting daily. I just finished reading 10 pages. So as well as reading The Mountain Is You, I also started reading The Housemaid, which was recommended for me. And I also wanted to tell you, oh my gosh, okay, so I went to a bridal shower over the weekend and I won a prize, and I won this candle from Bath and Body Works. I know the girlies had been speaking on Bath and Body Works, but they had not been speaking on Bath and Body Works because I burnt that candle yesterday. I burnt it for a couple hours. Yeah, whatever. I put it out. I can still smell it. I woke up this morning. I can still smell it. Like, this is potent. So I'm going to need to go to Bath and Body Works and stock up like the girlies do, because they make sense to that. Everything is clicking. It's all clicking and making sense to me. Oh God, this lace is giving lace. It's supposed to give what lace, but instead it's giving right there. I want a new wig and I want to dye it a reddy brown, but one, I don't be trusting these Toronto hairstylists because, ooh, when I tell you, the way people have popped up on TikTok and they're like, this is my trauma from a Toronto hairstylist. Like, no thank you. And I also have, you know, like when you get something on your tongue, like, it's like a spot on your tongue. It's just very uncomfortable. It makes me feel like I've got an extra long tongue. So I'm just like, I feel like a snake. That's me. My day has not been eventful at all. Like, I want to go to the gym after. What else I want to do today? I might want to go to the grocery store, but not so much. I might want to start shopping. So like I told you, I'm reinventing myself. I'm really like, she's really becoming that girl. And also I bought some things off the Sephora sale because I was like, hell, why the F's not buy something off the Sephora sale? I want to get new foundation because my foundation that I've had and I need to get rid of it. Not that I need to get rid of it, but like, it just, to be honest, it's not finished. If it's not finished, that means it wasn't serving me, meaning maybe I should not have had it, because I don't do liquid foundations anymore. Though I haven't done like heavy liquid foundation anymore, but now I bought 2 different foundations. Don't tell my mama. So when my makeup eats, don't be surprised. Yeah, I just came back from the gym. Whew. It was a workout. I didn't think I worked out correctly, but I went. I know that sounds wild, but honestly, I just needed to be in the gym for a while. Just disconnected a little bit. Oh my. I don't know. Today, I don't know, something put me in a really sour mood. And I just had to try and shake it off at the gym. It still isn't fully shaken off because I'm just it's hard because I don't always get the time to process all the things, and I don't necessarily want to talk about it straight away either. So I have to, you know, be communicative, and you know, I have to talk to people, I have to talk to, you know, everybody, and I'm just sometimes I just want to be quiet and just be me, my mind, and me, you know, me, my mind, and I, you know. But I didn't get that time, so I was just the gym was the perfect time, and now I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna take a shower in the dark. Do you guys ever do that? You just take a shower in the dark? I love it. Oh, it is nighttime. It's midnight. It's way past my bedtime. I journaled. I brainstormed some content ideas, literally to push me out of the funk, because otherwise I would have been in it till tomorrow. And one thing about me, I ain't got time for it. I spoke to my mans about it, and y'all, he's such a sweetheart. Honestly, he is. Don't tell him I told you that though, but he is such a sweetheart. So I'm just I'm really appreciative for him, and there's just a lot more things coming down the pipeline. Good morning, my beautiful people. Good morning. It is Wednesday. I'm going to head into the office very shortly. Oh my gosh. If you're in Canada right now, you know it's freezing cold. Literally, I think it's 1 degree, -1 degree outside. My outfit is this black on black on black on black ensemble. I really was in no mood to dress up, and I couldn't really think of anything, especially now when my wardrobe's in a time where it's going through its own transitions. So I was okay, let me put together what I think I can put together right now of all the things that I actually like in my wardrobe, or some of the things, because right now me and my wardrobe, we ain't like this, honey. We ain't it's giving much this. I really want to treat myself. Yes, I went to a spa. Don't come for me. But that wasn't for my birthday, okay? That was for my man's birthday, okay? To something. But I feel this is what my wardrobe revamp is for. I tried to buy long-lasting pieces, and so far it's worked for me. But just because I'm I feel I'm definitely transitioning into a new phase of my life, in terms of how I want to present myself to the world, what I want to do, how, you know, and stuff like that. Oh, sorry, TikTok. And stuff like that. So now things are changing. The ante has been upped. The ante, honey, she is 7 flights up, and I'm still on the ground floor. You know them changes that come from an urge within? Those are the hardest urges, and those are the hardest things to shake off, because ultimately it's coming from you. The call is coming from the inside of the house, you know? So it's how do I, you know, how do I shush it? And to a certain point, you can muffle it, you know what I mean? You can put a cute little pillow over the voice and be I can't hear you. You can put earplugs in and say, I can't hear you. Actually, you can't, because it's come from inside. But the voice will literally get louder and louder. And I feel like I'm at that point where the voice is screaming at me and going, I want change. I want this. I want to do this. And I'm like, damn, okay, you want this. We want this. We want this. Let's go. At this point in time, there are no ifs or buts about it. It just has to happen. So that is my TED Talk for today. I swear this is going to be my last one for this video, because I already gave you at least 2 in the last 2 days. Like, what in the world? But anyways, I'm gonna catch you guys later. Talk to you guys soon. I'm going to take you on my journey to work and from work. Again, I don't really record at work, but I'll take you there. Y'all, I am outside. Bloody hell, it is freezing cold. Oh my god, I'm literally, look, literally cold air is coming out of my mouth. I can't believe it.
Here, but rub, go like this.
I know how to
look.
I know how to wash hair.
Can you do all the products?
What's up, my brothers? I'm back home now.
I need to be shirtless.
The work day was a work day. It worked me. Let's just say that. We got home, ate some Portuguese.
We got home.
I got home, ate some Portuguese. I had these
why don't you tell our audience?
These 2 manses waiting on me.
Why don't you tell our audience what I told you, why you should go into the office at a certain time and what time you'd get home at, and you proceeded to tell me why you're going to go in at another time and how you're still going to get home by 4. And
I didn't say by 4.
And how you're still going to beat rush hour. Please enlighten the fans.
Okay, first of all,
rush hour is what time?
5.
What time did you get home?
Like 6 something. Did I get home at 6 something?
Yeah,
no, I left at 6.
You got home at 7.
I left at 5 something. Anyways, yesterday we had a discussion. He was going to come over here. When I say he, you know, he who shall not be named, because he's giving Voldemort vibes.
Reggie97, subscribe.
Anyways, he who shall not be named said that he's going to come over, whatever, after work, and we're going to chill. So I told him I'm going to go into the office because I needed to go into the office.
And we were going to cook.
Yeah, and I also said we're going to cook. Big lie. I ended up going into the office at 12 because why? I had afternoon meetings. So I was like, okay, cool, I've got afternoon meetings. It makes sense for me to be here in the afternoon as opposed to the morning. Whereas he wanted me to go into the office in the morning, leave early in the afternoon. In any case, it wouldn't have made sense because I still would have had a meeting at 4.
Get home before 4. Have the meeting at home. Like you do every other day of the week.
Anyways, so that was that. I ended up staying because there was a whole palaver at work. I stayed until about maybe like 5:30, 5:15, 5:30. And then, yeah, got home at 6. He was here with Richard. They were,
you get home at 6. You got home at 7.
I did not get home at 7.
Yes, you did.
Okay, maybe I got home at 7. Yeah, and I got home. We ate some food, all of this stuff. We played a lovely game. Are we really strangers? And we found out we are not.
In the next scene, my hair will be getting washed.
And now he wants me to wash his hair. I did not end up going to the gym. As you can see, I was just so lazy. I was watching Desperate Housewives. I was editing. It did not happen. And now I'm like reading and half watching. I have like a Christmas, a Hallmark movie in the background that's so cheesy. You know, one of those ones where it's like, oh, I'm from this little town. And oh, everything is so perfect. Good morning, friends. Good morning, friends. I hope you are having a great morning so far. It is Friday. I have decided to go to the gym this morning. About 6.5k. My goal for the gym today was to essentially just move, because I realized that ultimately, like, I go to the gym once a day, like, and I go at least 5 times a day, but that once a day movement means nothing if I don't move outside of the gym, you know. So I am working on that because that's what I want to do. I want to up my Viva, up my life and get it because there's only one life, you know? Cue that Pitbull like toast.
Yes, sir. Life is not a waste of time, and time is not a waste of life. So let's stop wasting time, get wasted, and have the time of our lives. Hey!
Turning into Molly the maid. Okay, so I've showered and everything, and now I'm cleaning the fridge because Hola friends, it's later in the day and we are going to yoga.
I need to run. Unless we stop there.
Oh my god, this man is having me run. Look at him running for the bus. Ooh, it's not a bit of me though. Okay, hopefully it stops. He just put out his hand. Oh, what is up people? We're currently in Dollarama because Richard thought to go to a hot yoga class with no water. Baby Rick has many ailments. Baby Rick has many ailments and he thought, oh, many ailments and he thought that he would be fine in a hot yoga studio. Definitely negative, he would have fainted, but yeah. Baby Rick has his water. That's it. What are you doing? Are you working? Yeah. Oh, he's working. To be honest, I should also be working, but I'm not doing it. Not at the moment. I need to free my mind on this yoga mat, you know? But yeah. We're gonna head into this yoga studio. Lorenzo's supposed to be coming soon. I'm gonna call him actually, see where he's at. And I'm gonna check these parking prices too.
Wait, through.
we just finished the class. This is Richard's first class. I look like a thumb. Like I look like a thumb and that's just it. Like I look disgusting. How was your first class?
I don't think I'd do it again.
Really? You wouldn't do it again?
I don't think so.
Really? What is it hard?
It was just the temp. Do you know what I realised? I was right underneath the bed.
Oh, the hotness?
Yeah.
They normally say it gets hot next to the window.
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah.
It was hot.
I told you. Was that water enough?
Yeah. How could you not tell me the first thing? Bring water. When
Why would
bring
you
a
not
towel.
go to a workout class?
First time.
But you go to any workout class and they tell you bring water. It's just a given.
I mean, I don't take water to the gym.
Well,
With this heat,
yeah, anyways. Great class. I love it. I just feel like I shed 5 pounds. Thanks, Richard. Thanks, me.
Thank you, Richard. Really good.
Yeah.
Is the salmon good?
We have not tried the salmon.